Hello, my name is Birring, and today's presentation will be on fluorescent penetrant using the lipophilic emulsifier method. This was the last presentation, so what we are doing now is we are going from hydrophilic to lipophilic, and I'll show you what happens. So we are going from hydro to lipo, so I'll change this to lipo. Here we go, lipophilic, and everything stays the same. There is no pre-wash, so that step is gone now. So we are done, we don't need pre-wash. And the emulsifier dwell time changes to 30 seconds to 180 seconds. And that's going to depend on your application. And the rest stays the same. So the difference between the hydrophilic and the lipophilic is that hydrophilic works on water and lipophilic is called oil hungry or oil loving, and it works on the oil first and then dissolves the water. So it works the opposite way. So it's kind of like the oven cleaner we use at home. We spray the oven cleaner straight on the inside those the trays to clean them up. So here these are the steps. Again, clean, apply penetrant, dwell time. To remove the penetrant, we will apply the lipophilic emulsifier, leave it there between 30 seconds to 180 seconds. That's going to be, I'm going to go with 1 minute and then wash. So this is what we need for lipophilic emulsifier. I have the penetrant here, ZL27, can you focus? And this is the sensitivity level 3 penetrant. And then here is the emulsifier pull and apply the penetrant. So I've applied the penetrant, and the next step, as you know, is the dwell time. So we will give it a 5-minute dwell time, and then I will start the next step, which will be the application of the emulsifier. Pause. So we have given it a 5-minute dwell time, and I'll take the sample, put it in the tray here, and apply the lipophilic emulsifier. So we didn't do any washing. It works straight on the penetrant. So I'll apply it, cover the whole area where the penetrant was applied. So now we will leave it for about 1 minute. 1 minute we will leave it, and then we will proceed to the washing station. Pause. Dwell time, emulsification dwell time of 1 minute is over, and I'm going to use the water pressure. You can see here the pressure gauge. The pressure is less than 40, and I have this pressure regulator to adjust it to about just less than 40. So I get a good spray, and now I'm ready to wash. So the next step is to check how good the washing is, and check under the black light. So this black light is EV6500. It doesn't need any warm up time. So you just have to press the button, turn the lights off, and press the button. And it looks good to me. I can see, oh, there's a little background here, but that's out of our range. So I think I should proceed with the next step. So if this background is away from my weld. Okay, so let's do the next step is the drying. So because we are going to be applying the non-aqueous developer, so the surface has to be dry. Okay, that step is over and it's dry. And now I will apply the developer. And So here we go, we're going to apply the developer and then inspect under the black light. So here, so as soon as you apply the developer, you should turn the black light on to see what's going on, and you can already see there's one indication here. There's one here which is again it got filled too much. The cavity is a little bit big, but the good indication is here, and one is here. So as you can see that that shows it, but I would say a little bit more washing would make the background more clear compared to what it is. But you got the idea how the lipophilic emulsifier is used. Indication is here and one is here, so it's very clear. So that is the end of the lipophilic, and as you can see in the lipophilic is we go straight after the emulsification time, we go straight to the washing. There is no pre-washing in this case because the lipophilic works on the oil and then it absorbs the water. So those are the steps here. So this is what it is. It's pretty straightforward. Takes less time than any of those washable methods. Takes less time than the water washable. Takes less time than the hydrophilic. So it's very efficient and very sensitive method. Thank you.